Hi, Linda Hollington here. It's going to be a great weekend in Florida. It's going to be nice and warm. There's going to be a lot of people going to the beach this weekend. But there's a lot of open houses too to get out there and see. And I'm going to be at one in Viera at 1502 Great Belt Circle in Viera. It's straight out the Bonita Causeway. Go west on the Bonita Causeway to Bridgewater Estates in Viera. It's a 55 and older community. This house was built in 2021, has lots of upgrades that you wouldn't get in a new build because they were added by the purchaser at the time. And there's a lot of amenities there. They have a big barbecue area, a bike trail, a clubhouse, exercise room, jogging trails, media room, gate guard. It's a big gated community, shuffleboard and tennis courts. The name of the community is Bridgewater at Viera. I will be there from noon to 3 on Saturday, the 25th. Come out and have a look. Again, it's a 55 and older community. If that doesn't interest you, there's many open houses. Get out there if you're in the market and have a look at some of them. Get a list from your realtor or text me and I'll be happy to provide one for you. Thank you. Have a great weekend. See you again soon.